3.5 billion years ago, Mars may have been as habitable and enchanting as Earth, but an unknown catastrophe suddenly killed it. For decades, humans have been desperately searching for evidence of life on Mars. Starting with the first Mars rover, Sojourner, we have continuously discovered many things on it. Unbelievable stuff. Here are 5 of the strangest objects discovered so far that seem to suggest traces of extraterrestrial activity. The first is this enchanting flower. This is by far the closest thing to a plant that we've found on Mars. It was captured by the Curiosity rover in Gale Crater. It looks like a staghorn coral-like plant. It branches outwards like a coral, bringing a touch of life to the desolate Mars. Although there are many Martian sediments, this flower-shaped sediment is particularly exquisite, but it's rare. But it was actually formed in ancient times by minerals carried by water, cementing rocks together. This indirectly proves that Mars once had liquid water. The second mysterious spherical object, it looks too round. It lies alone on the surface of the Martian rock. It was also discovered by the Curiosity rover, a strange object. It made people wonder if it was a relic left over from an ancient Martian billiards game, but after careful observation by scientists, it's determined to be an object only 1 centimeter in diameter, are tiny spheres made of a mineral called hematite. Later, Opportunity also found more similar spheral and believed they were formed through concretion and precipitation of minerals in sedimentary rock. As the rock erodes due to wind or water, the mineral spheres are exposed. The third strange face. This is a photo taken by Viking 1 of a face with a nose and eyes. For over 30 years, the Martian face has fueled various speculations about intelligent life existing on Mars. Many people believe it's an artifact built by an ancient civilization. Until now, conspiracy theories about an ancient Martian civilization all stem from this. And in 2007, high-resolution photos taken by the Mars orbiter showed that it was actually an eroded rock formation. Naturally formed rock formations don't have an original resolution. The facial features that appear in the image still lead many people to believe that NASA has discovered something and is trying to cover it up. The fourth magical spider. This was taken by Mars Express spider tracks in the Inca City region of Antarctica, captured on camera. From a distance, they look incredibly real, and they seem to be constantly moving, as if advancing towards this lifelike ancient city. This led some to believe that signs of life had been found on Mars. However, these small, dark structures are not spiders, but it's caused by the seasonal melting of carbon dioxide ice at Mars poles. So when the carbon dioxide sublimates into gas, it flows out along branching paths and then settles, creating these characteristic spider patterns. But the formation of Inca still has no reasonable explanation. It could be a relic of ancient Martian. The fifth strange doorway. This doorway, photographed by the Hauchi-Hau rover from a Martian cliff face, has shocked humanity. This rectangular doorway is about 0.3 meters high. It appears to have been carved into the rock face with astonishing precision. This has led some to speculate that Mars was once home to an ancient civilization or alien activity. While this has captured the imagination of many, geologists interpret it as natural rock fissures formed through a process called differential erosion, where softer rock erodes faster than harder rock, eroding it faster, and likely a combined result of that and Marsquakes.